Luckily, we have no neighbors.
Today we are going to make sea glass.
So what is sea glass and what can you use it for?
Well, sea glass is self-explanatory. It's glass that's found in the sea after God knows how many years, that's been smoothed and turned opaque with the salt and the sand and the seashells in the sea with the waves.
And what do you need to make it with?
Well, we want to try and emulate what happens in the sea. So normally when you try and polish stones or stuff like that, you have little tumblers with grit, with sand, and you just leave it on for days on end to smooth it all out. But we are going to try and make bigger quantities, and we don't have a tumbler. So we're going to try and use our old cement mixer. So we need a cement mixer,
A bunch of glass, and we're really happy that we finally get to use some of the bottles we've been saving for the last few years. We've got a nice mixture here. Now we'll see what comes out best.
we're going to use river sand for the grit. We have seen people using gravel, granite chips, stones, but we think we're going to try with river sand and see how that goes.
Now we need the glass.
All right, some nice bottles there. And also we need a hammer, eye protection, hand protection, and just in case it gets into the air and it's really fine, I'm being super safe,
Nasal protection.
some lung protection. Right, let's start smashing. Yay, the fun bit. Prosecco! I think that's okay though.
Yeah, very good.
Oh, Matteo, Portuguese.
That's gonna be hard to smash.
I don't know.
Wow, it's flying out.
That was easy, that one.
Right, I'm done.
Okay, there you go. Sands are collected from down by the river.
I'll put it all in.
I don't know, let's see. Are you ready for noise?
Luckily, we have no neighbors.
Good morning. We turned this off last night at 8 p.m, so we got a full 8 hours. Let's see what the situation is. So after 8 hours, it definitely needs more, but definitely not sharp, as you can see.
Awesome.
So looking pretty cool. But I reckon maybe another day, maybe two. Alrighty, it's been 3 days. Actually 8 hours, 12 hours and 12 hours. We had a peak on the first day, second day we didn't, and now I'm super excited to see what we have.
Nice.
look at the cement mixer. So I had dried concrete in
Yummy.
there. It really cleaned it for me.
Yes. Wow. It's never been this
It's
clean.
never been this clean. That's a good symptom, side effect.
Okay.
This was that we had a solid glass ornament, so it's a bit thicker, the glass, which is much cooler.
Nice.
What's this? Oh, that was a piece of quartz. Look at this one. Oh, cool. It's gone quite opaque as well, eh? And this one.
Very cool. I like this colour. Super happy with the result.
Hey, and it's really gone opaque now that it's actually dried from the water. I think for this time we'll just maybe try to use it as mulch on one of our blueberry plants.
Every time we water the plants, it's going to get back to shiny.
Oh yeah.
And then it will
Yeah.
dry again and become like this.
Yeah. We'll put it on the blueberry and see what it looks like and what happens anyway. That was a fun project. Very happy with the result.